Is your Nissan Qashqai's alarm constantly going off at night? The most common culprits are a weak 12-volt battery and an overly sensitive tilt sensor. A failing battery, common after 4 to 5 years, can cause voltage drops that trigger the alarm. The tilt sensor, designed to detect vehicle movement, might be too sensitive and set off by minor vibrations, temperature changes, or even just being parked on a slight incline. We'll show you how to troubleshoot and address these issues to silence those false alarms for good. First, check your 12-volt battery's voltage when the car is rested. It should be above 12.6 volts. If it's below 12.4 volts, recharge or replace it. For the tilt sensor, try resetting it using your key fob or a diagnostic tool. This can make it less sensitive without affecting security. Many newer models from 2018 onward have pet mode. Access it through the infotainment system or key fob to disable internal motion sensors, preventing alarms from pets. Consider getting the latest ECU firmware updates from Nissan. These recalibrate the tilt sensors and can drastically reduce false alarms. They're usually free at authorized dealers.